Thanks so much for sharing time with us. It's an early Tuesday morning. The sky is clear, it's warm, it's humid, and we're getting a stronger breeze, and we'll see that certainly through the day tomorrow. 73 right now, the dew point at 64. Both of those might be up just a smidgen in some spots from yesterday at the same time, and the breeze is near 10 miles per hour. That's not bad, but it does give you a little bit of relief if you happen to be outside, especially later today and you get in the shade. If dew points can stay at 65 or lower, it might work out. There's radar, nothing indicated. In fact, we're clear from Topeka to Omaha, close to Des Moines, all the way well past St. Louis, down toward Little Rock, Tulsa, Oklahoma City. But the farther west you go, the more clouds we have, and that's a lot of the instability that's going to gradually start nudging closer and closer by Thursday night, Friday, and on into Saturday. Right now, southeasterly breeze for the central and eastern areas at roughly 5 to 15. And then from Junction City and Chapman out here toward Abilene, Clay Center, Concordia, more of a southerly wind already in the 12 to 15 range and at times gusting to 20. Our dew points a little bit higher here, so deeper moisture content from Shawnee County to the KC Metro. In fact, in Kansas City, the dew point close to 70. That makes a huge difference when you start getting into that 90-degree ballpark. That's going to feel pretty tough in that area, but out here toward Concordia and Salina and also Ellsworth, that's not too bad as long as it stays around 58 or 60. A lot of 70s on the board here, a little bit lower the farther east you go. Dubuque at 59, St. Louis at 61. Casper, pretty cool this time of the year. You go from Casper to the Tetons to West Yellowstone, a lot of 30s and 40s, even in June and July. But Denver's at 60 and Amarillo's at 72. So there's going to be more warmth kind of feeding on in. We still have that cutoff low, but it's kind of sagged toward the east and southeast just a smidgen. Still a lot of moisture, though, feeding into places like Raleigh and Wilmington, Cape Hatteras, getting up toward the Norfolk area. And so there's a lot of heavy rain there and potential flooding. Then we have the instability kind of coming in to the Pacific Northwest and Upper Rockies, and that's going to start nudging closer and closer, and we should get some spokes of energy from that. So for today, I think we're sunny all day today. As we go through a Wednesday, we're going to be partly cloudy with stronger wind, probably in the 20, 25 to near 30 range. And then by Thursday, we'll start to get a spotty shower or two, especially in the late afternoon, and much of that might be out to the northwest. So for today, there's your sunshine, some heat, stronger breezes, a little bit more humidity. Overnight, a 70-degree low with a mostly sunny sky, and then we get our higher dew points, our stronger wind, and then by Thursday evening, the possibility of a thunderstorm, more likely though overnight Thursday into early Friday morning. Then it may settle down just a tad. Some scattered thunderstorms on Saturday with a high of 88. On Dad's Day, I've taken down the chance of rain just a little bit at 85, so maybe not too bad. And then pleasant weather to kick off next week with some mid and upper 80s.